Hi, Ben here in Southampton, just looking around the show, and I've come across this X-boat, 4.6, 46 foot Danish vessel, which is rather good looking. It's midway between performance and cruising, so it's got elements of both. This boatyard makes performance, flat out performance, it makes cruisers, and this, as I said, this is mid-range. But let's go and have a look on board, because it's got a few nice features. And, if you've got 650,000 quid minus tax, it's reasonably affordable. It's very easy to get on here. This transom, twin wheel. There's the cockpit. Now, the traveller on these boats is here, more performance. On the cruiser, it would be past the cockpit. So that's and apparently the cruiser version of this has an enclosed cockpit at the back here. So this is obviously open, more performance. Let's go and have a look up front, because we've got this self-furling boom here for the main. Decks. Self-tacking jib, it seems. Jenica. And space for a code 0 up there as well. Yeah. It's not at all bad looking boat. It doesn't feel like teak. I'll ask the guys. No, there's some sort of composite deck here. That's the cockpit. Oh, I've just fallen into the Traveller because I'm a muppet. Right, there are all your sheets coming back in. But yeah, this is a real has a feeling of a proper sailing boat. This one. It's not overly fancy. But it's very civilised inside. So twin berths at the back here. We've got this double, which is very nicely appointed. Lots of storage and all that jazz. And then just the other side of the engine, the Yanmar. There's this twin, which again is very, very nice and neat. And storage. They don't have their own en-suites. Those are the heads there. Obviously the day heads of the boat, but there's a shower there that comes out of that bit, hangs up, and there's a nice basin and loo. There we are. So that serves the boat and these two aft cabins. And then here we go. We've got the chart table there and all the radio gear and kit, and saloon. So there's raised coach roof here, so pretty decent headroom. I'd say about 6'3". Fully functional kitchen there. There's a nice oven, 3-burner hob. There's a fridge there and a sink. It does say here we're not supposed to open cupboards, so I won't. But you can see there are cupboards on the wall to hold all your bits and pieces, and there's quite a lot of storage on this boat. Now, this is the dining table, stool there, but that's a good size. It's got a nice feel. And then this is the master cabin. Again, nice light and airy cabin here. With an ensuite. And actually a built-in shower there, so these fold flat. There's a little catch there, and these doors shut. But lots of natural light and air, and yeah, very nice boat here, and lots of storage going on down there too. Quite a nice feature here is this little clever little window there. I haven't seen that too many times on a boat. It lets loads of light in. So there we are, X-boats. So yeah, this one was £650,000 X VAT, but bearing in mind a Swan 58 was 3 million euros, you know, you're getting a lot of boat for your money here. And a bit of Danish luxury thrown in. So yes, that's a flexi teak deck. It's jet washable, easy, no nonsense. Just what this boat's all about, really. So there we are. X4.6. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.